Hi everybody, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I have a plan with me for the week of November 18th through the 24th, and I'm using a kind of Thanksgiving style kit, but I don't know. The week after this, I have off the whole week and I might be going to the mountains, so I might be skipping out on my Thanksgiving kits, and this one isn't quite as Thanksgiving as my Scribble Prints one, so I'm going to use this week. It has some like lighter colors in it and things like that, so we're going to use that here. I might go to the mountains over the weekend. I really don't know yet. The plans are not solidified, so we're playing it by ear. Also, this week is just like a work week. I have meetings and bills and payday, and I just am very exhausted. My boyfriend came over last night. I'll flip through the kit while I'm talking. This is from Creating & Co, by the way. My boyfriend came over last night and he didn't get here till late, and then, you know, we were up late talking and things like that, and we did not get a lot of sleep. So it's just, I don't know. I move, he wakes up, he moves, I wake up, like, you know, the whole thing. So we just did not sleep very well. So I was napping today, and then we have an event to go to tonight. Ooh, I like that this washi's a little thinner. I'm probably going to use a Simply Gilded with it. I'm going to go to our school production of Cinderella, but it's like a different take on Cinderella. I don't exactly know what that take is, but I don't know. It's some sort of version, and I'm very excited. So I have a lot of kids either in the production or behind the scenes. And, you know, it's really important to them that, like, their teachers show up. So I'm meeting one of my other coworkers, and I'm going to get to meet her husband tonight. And I am going to have to go get ready here in a little bit. So I'm going to just speed through this because my edit time will be faster. My upload time will be faster, like all the things. It's just going to be helpful in general. I think I'm going to put these up. So I'm going to like just fast forward. I don't really have anything to talk about like in my previous videos. Thank you all for responding, by the way, with like your Enneagram scores and your personality traits, and hopefully we'll pick that up next week. I don't have anything planned. I'm very tired. I'm just like groggy, you know? So there's that. So I apologize for my lack of like, I don't know, excitement, if you will. But that's where I'm at today. I'm groggy. It was a long week. I still feel sick. Like, I still cough, and, you know, it's just all the things. So there's where we're at. So I'm going to just fast forward. I think I've said that 12 times now. I apologize. And we'll talk at the end. I'll run you through my planner, and hopefully you are on board with that. Okay. Enjoy. Oh, also, I don't know which foil I'm going to use with this kit because it has a lot of warm tones, but then it also has a lot of cool tones, and I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm kind of leaning silver. I've done a lot of gold and rose gold recently, but like it feels like a shame to not use rose gold or gold in the fall. Like, to me, it's just kind of, those are my fall colors. So we'll see. We'll see. right, you guys, I am back and I think I'm done for now. I probably should have zoomed out before. On my little bottom washi here, these little pumpkins are an overlay taped from Rose Color Days. So they actually are perforated to just be like a header size. So I wasted a little bit because you have the space between here, so it doesn't like 3 doesn't quite cover, so you have to go into a 4th one or a 5th one or whatever. But I think it's really cute. Those are rose gold. My countdowns I used are rose gold, and then everything else is silver, except I used a little bit of the pumpkin deco throughout here as well, and that's also from Rose Color Days from, I think the sub, yeah, the October 2019 sub. So there's little clear rose gold pumpkins. So those match perfectly, and there's like pumpkins in here already, and then I used one to like put in the middle of the napkin, that sort of thing. So super cute. Maybe I'll put one up here too by this little fox. This kit is interesting because it has like, I don't know, kind of like, not girly, like fashion girl, but there's like little shoes and like these bow paper clips and things, but then it has like the cute little animals as well. So it's just an interesting mix, but I think it's super cute. On the bottom washi, I put little star things from Scribble Prints Co. on like the centers of the flowers, so you can see that there. I used silver Pilates stickers from Moose and Mittens. The Payday is from Tassel Planner. Meeting stickers, birthday sticker, film edit upload, countdowns, all from Rose Color Days. Same with dinner and schedule. Skincare vitamins from J'adore Planning. My date numbers are from My Newest Addiction. The bill dues, I always forget the name of this shop. I think it's K Sticker Co. But now I don't know where I put the sheet, so I can't tell you. Oh wait, here's, nope, because I cut the sheets. They came on really large sheets, so I had to cut them to put them in my storage, but I think it's K Sticker Co. I'm not totally positive. But yeah, that is my spread. Let me know what you guys think of the rose gold silver mix. I think it's pretty, like it works. There's enough like rosy, peachy pink tones that the rose gold doesn't really like stand out. The gold actually, like when I held gold up to it, because I have like gold Thanksgiving countdowns also, kind of actually clashed more, even though I thought gold was going to go better. So that's interesting. This is this past week. Anyways, I need to go get ready for going to Cinderella, but this is super fun. And then, like I said, hopefully I'll be going to the mountains. I have this whole week off, so I'm hoping, this is Thanksgiving week, I'm hoping I'll be in the mountains for part of this weekend into next week. I don't know. I'm a little confused right now as to what the plans are. So that's everything. I hope you guys didn't mind the speed through, but like I said, this was kind of just a straightforward week. You guys know my usual Pilates, meetings, work, film edit, upload. So nothing real special unless I go out of town this weekend, but I don't know those plans yet, so I can't talk about them anyways. So stay tuned for a rewind. All right, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the little bell so you can hear about my plans in a rewind. And I don't know, have a good Thanksgiving when we get to it, because you might be watching this like at the end of this week. So I don't know. I hope you have a great week, and I hope you get time off. All right, enjoy. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.